The Microsoft Outlook is one of the most widely used email applications in the world. However, it may also sometimes crash, and an error message like this may appear. So if you're experiencing the same issue, make sure to watch this video to fix the problem. Now, the first method in fixing the problem is to kill all Outlook-related processes. And you can do that by right-clicking on your taskbar, select Task Manager, select the Processes tab, and look for anything named Communicator, Link, USMAPI, or the Outlook application itself. You can just select on the application, then select the End Task option. Alternatively, rather than spending all day trying to figure out the process that is hogging the file, try just doing a simple computer restart. You can just select the Start button, and then select Restart. But if those two methods did not work, disable the cache exchange mode on your device. To do that, close your Microsoft Outlook, open the Control panel by tapping it on your Start menu, and select Mail. Then, select the Email Accounts option, choose the Email tab, highlight the email address giving you the warning, then select Change. Now on the pop-up window, uncheck the Use Cache Exchange mode, select Next, and then click Finish to complete the process. So that's how I can troubleshoot this error message in the Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.